A dead body of brick industry laborer named Doria Orang was found hanging and suicide inside the PBF Bricks Industry in an area of Udaipur Pitra Village on Thursday afternoon. Doria Orang is from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Soumendra Roy, the owner of the brickyard, is suspected to have a hand in the suicide. A brick industry laborer, Doria Orang, has suicide for not getting paid for the daily wages. Doria Orang is from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Soumendra Roy, the owner of the brickyard, is suspected to have a hand in the suicide case. Incident happened inside the PBF Brick Industry in an area of Udaipur Pitra Village on Thursday afternoon. With the information came to know that the owner of the brickyard, Abu Shaha or Soumendra Roy, has not paid the daily wages to the laborer for a couple of weeks. With that, the PBF laborers are in a desperate sadness for not getting paid for the wages. In consequence, the PBF laborer Doria Orang had an argument with the manager and the owner of the brickyard on Wednesday. Next day, on Thursday, a dead body of Doria Orang was found hanging and suicide inside the PBF Brick Industry. The other laborers of the PBF Brick Industry took him immediately to the Udaipur hospital. However, he was dead, says the doctor. Soumendra Roy, the owner of the brickyard, is suspected to have a hand in the case.
क्या नाम है? बासिल।
आप कहाँ से रहने वाले हैं?
रांची।
क्या हुआ था?
कल हम नहीं जानेंगे काहे कि हम तो भाटे ऊपर थे।
आपने क्या देखा?
हम यहाँ से कुछ नहीं देखा, बोल रहा था लड़का सब कि यहाँ पर सोया था, उसको देखे थे बस।
नाम क्या
ले रहा था टेम्पो से, उसको देखे थे हम भाटे ऊपर से।
नाम क्या है उसका?
उसका दरिया उराव।
आपका कहाँ का रहने वाला है?
रांची।
रांची। कितना दिन से यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ
कितना महीना हो गया?
6 महीने आसपास।
6 महीने आसपास। अभी तक तनख्वाह मिला?
तनख्वाह तो छुट्टी होने वाला था, तो अब
नहीं मिला अभी भी?
अभी नहीं मिला, छुट्टी होने दिन मिलेगा बोल रहा था इसलिए।
ये जो भट्टा
अभी आपका
अभी कितना दिन का तनख्वाह मिलना है आपको?
अरे पूरा काम है वो नहीं मिला है, मिलेगा, जाएंगे उस दिन मिलेगा बोल रहा था।
After the death incident of a particular working staff of Udaipur Bazaar India shopping mall complex owned by Soumendra Roy, another dead body of labor was found inside the PBF Brick Industry, which is also owned by Soumendra Roy. With that, Soumendra is suspected in several cases for his involvement. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.